When the sun starts shining in spring and you can hear the birds singing, you can't wait to get out into that dirt. So these are my garden beds, and it is 54 degrees today, I'd say this is mid-April, right before tax time, and I needed a break. I'm going out into the garden. This bed is the first bed I'm going to get ready, and the first thing I'm going to do is put some compost in. This is the third year for these metal garden containers, and every year we have to add more dirt because we put lots of compost, sticks, and leaves and stuff in the bottom. And every year that stuff composts down and disintegrates a little bit more, and then we have to add more soil. So I'm just going to put some bags of compost that I got from a farmer and get this bed ready to plant in. It feels so good to just be outside. I am actually going to plant in this bed because we do not have a frost in sight for the next 6 days. And if anything would sprout, I'm going to cover it and we will be just fine. But I'm going to be planting some peas and some lettuce and some radishes. Last fall, I didn't really have time to get all of these little Christmas trees into the ground, so we quickly planted them inside the bed. It was kind of an experiment. Was it going to work? Were they going to make it through the winter? And they made it through the winter with bells. Here they are. This is just a month ago in March. They look so great. They are ready to be planted outside. Everything was still super cold a month ago. There's January. This is what my beds look like in January. You wouldn't think there is going to be any spring coming ever again. And then, just like that, it starts to thaw little by little, and sooner rather than later, you end up with a beautiful weather and you can start doing your gardening. And like I said, I'm planting today, and here are what my beds are going to look like in June and July. These beds do great. They get full sun all day long and they just do wonderfully. The only problem I do have is they do dry out a little quickly because of how warm it is, but it doesn't bother me. We just water them a little more. I love this little garden, and as you can see, it's really prolific.